Do you remember last time we have been to Town Beach? We wanted to see the wrecked plane from the Second World War. Guess what? This time we're gonna do it. After checking the lowest tide in a month, we decide to come back. The difference is I'm gonna be solo this time, but I promise you it's gonna be adventurous. We are in Roebuck Bay and we are 30 minutes before the low tide. Sun is about to go down. Because I knew I have to walk into the mud flat, I decided to put worthless shoes. I think I'm gonna way back. I just want to cross the bridge and maybe I will come back tomorrow. Anyway, it's not the day. Do you remember last time? We didn't prepare enough. I guess I didn't learn from my mistakes. The shoes are totally destroyed and I didn't start. I will have another chance tomorrow. Let's look around the Town's Beach Broom Pier. Oh, look! There is an octopus! It's the end of the day and I will say bye. I have to be more ready tomorrow because the tides are really perfect for that journey. So tomorrow gonna be another day. I bring my working shoes that I love a lot. They are old but tough, and if I can have like a good memories with them, I will use them. So let's see. I think I'm on a good way. Because yesterday I realized that I was a bit late. This time I decided to come 1 hour before the tide. The planes are located at 1.5 kilometers in the middle of the Roebuck Bay. 3 kilometers. And it's easier than expected. So, 3 kilometers back and return. It's just the beginning. And actually, I realized it's not gonna be very easy. First problem. The water is still here and there is some part of little kind of river. I didn't expect that. Now my feet are already wet. We are still close from the shore. I would not expect to find debris there. Is it wrecking plane from the Second War? Because yes, for the history, Roebuck Bay contains a sunken armada from the Second World War flying boat wreck that are fully visible at very low tide, less than 0.86 meters. I don't want to be that I'm disappointed because like the view it's stunning, but it was not what I expected. That's weird that. What's that? On my phone. Maybe it's not here. That's some rest, but it's more there. There is an heron. The view, it's really amazing. Look at that. Hello. I'm not even at the middle of the pass that I have to go through a bigger river. But now it doesn't matter anymore because my feet are already soaked. I forget to mention an important point. We are in the beginning of the winter, but we are up to the Capricorn Tropical, and the Indian Ocean, it's not cold at all. Very nice. Oh, it's moving. Oh, so beautiful. Wonderful. The wreck is near that. There is so the three of them. Wonderful. There is something inside this hole who's looking at me. Hello. There, I can see it there, but there is just one, and I saw another one just here and another one just here, but I can't reach it. No. That's it. I finally reached my destination. I walk almost 1 hour to reach this wreck. That's insane to see that. It's insane. I was close, but I saw something moving in the water and I don't want to have any issues. It's happened that there is crocodile here. I'm alone. I don't want to make a silly thing. There is just one, and there another one, and this one, when I don't want to get close, it's no. No. It's worth it, but not really for the plane, or if you are really into it, but the walk is very funny. Very funny. I highly recommend you to get very good shoes if you want to do this walk. Bye bye. I feel sad that I didn't stay longer close to the wreck. But I know a good lesson that I learned from travel. I have to take care of myself. I have to understand the risk. Especially when you are alone. The night is coming at a distance of 1.5 kilometers offshore. one is fun. I really love that. Oh, look, that's a Spanish dancer. Maybe the things would have been different if Mali was there. She could have protecting me. This pass, it's lighter than before. But still, I have to pass it. It's okay. That's really weird. I think I'm gonna be good, but I totally forget to take some light. At least I can use my phone. But it's gonna get dark. Cute. That's very nice. Finally, now I'm almost there. Almost ready. Behind me, most of the people will see tonight the moon rising, and it's called Staircase to the Moon. But if you watch us, maybe you already know that. めっちゃ可愛い。It's a busy night tonight. Maybe because of the staircase to the moon. I will leave Town Beach to go to a different place, less crowded. When I decide to put my shoes on, something strange happened. There is something weird. Yeah. What's that? That's really weird. Oh, Otaru. It seems that it's a firefly, a sea firefly. Une luciole. I decide to avoid the people in Town Beach and go to the port where I can find